In today's video, let me show you how to deactivate your Messenger account within the Messenger app. First, open up the Messenger app on your iPhone or Android phone, then select the menu button in the top left. Once the menu opens, select the gear in the top right to open up the settings. In the settings, scroll all the way down to the bottom until you see Meta Account Center. From there, select See More in Account Center. In here, click Personal Details. Then go ahead and select Account Ownership and Control at the bottom. You'll see Deactivation or Deletion. Go ahead and select that. After that, go choose the account you want to deactivate. Next, click on the Deactivate account and select Continue. It's going to ask us to enter our Facebook password. Go input your password and then just click Continue, and that's it. And that's it for today's video. This has been your go-to channel for gaming content, Gaming Family. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave your comments below. See you on the next videos.